Getting the most from your AI agent starts with understanding how it works. Here's what you need to know. First, what is AI Assist? It's a suite of AI-powered tools that help you deliver fast, accurate support around the clock. At the heart of it is your AI agent, which answers customer questions using your own data. Alongside it, Smart Reply suggests responses to your human agents in chats and tickets. And AI commands help with everyday tasks like summarizing, translating, or adjusting the tone of a message. So how do you get your agent ready? You train it through its knowledge section, adding FAQs, documents, plain text, your knowledge base, your website, and structured data like product lists as tables. Your agent is only as good as the information behind it, so the better your data, the better its answers. Once it's trained, it works across all your channels like Facebook Messenger, email, Telegram, SMS, and WhatsApp. On a paid plan, you can run multiple agents and assign a different one to each channel, so each is focused on the job it does best. You can also connect your agent to your own systems using API integrations or ready-made connections for Shopify and WooCommerce, so it can pull live details like order status straight into a conversation. Now to running it day to day. Does your agent have to be online for chats to be answered? No. Once it's enabled, it answers automatically, even when your team is offline. You can set its hours in the schedule section or leave scheduling off to keep it available around the clock. And when you want to test it, does that use up your credits? No. Testing in the preview never costs a credit, so you can try it as much as you like. Your agent can also handle image attachments, reading what a customer sends rather than just receiving a file. But what happens when your agent can't answer something? You've got two safety nets. On paid plans, you can set it to escalate to a human agent, handing the conversation to your team. You can also have it fall back to a ticket, capturing the visitor's details through a form so nothing gets missed and your team can follow up. That brings us to credits. What happens when yours run out? You'll be notified on your dashboard, and from there you can upgrade your plan, top up with extra credits on any paid plan, or simply step in and answer inquiries yourself as a human agent. You can check your balance anytime in your AI Assist settings, where you'll also be warned when you're running low. One question that comes up a lot: why don't I get notified when my agent responds? By default, your agent works quietly in the background. If you'd like an alert whenever it joins a conversation, just switch on Always Notify Human Agents of New Chats in its settings. And finally, privacy. You can add a consent form to your chat widget that asks visitors for their agreement before a chat begins. We cover that fully in its own video. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.